had a customer ask me to demo a battery change during a route mission. So here we go. Right now I'm just loading the route into the drone, clicking start, and here we go. Taking off to begin. I'm switching to the map mode so you can follow along a little bit easier. And we'll speed up the video just a touch. So the drone arrives at the start point and begins taking photos. You can see the frame box of the camera and the photo numbers clicking up. Now we're arriving to our simulated battery exchange point. In this instance, I just hit pause and then return to home. Just the same way you do it if your battery was running out. We're back to our launch point, and we're simulating loading a new battery in. And we're going to start the mission again. And you'll see resume from breakpoint is now an available choice. And then you load the mission again, just like you did the last time. The system launches once more. Switching to map mode. And the drone proceeds to the pause point it remembers from the last point and resumes the mission. Once again, the frame shows up, and then the photos start clicking up. And that's how you change batteries during a routes mission. Thanks for watching.